Good morning, children. How are you all? Sai Ram, thank you. Fine. That's good. Someone is going to come today with us. Let's see who is that. Ready? Wow, what is this? Who is this? Winnie. Who is this? Winnie the Pooh. You know what Winnie is going to do? Winnie is going to sing a rhyme on alphabet. Ready? See, Winnie is asking, ready? Yes. What rhyme Winnie is going to sing? Shall I sing? Yes. So, Winnie is going to sing alphabet rhyme. Ready? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Y and Z. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Yes, very nice. Clap, 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 clap for Winnie. Clap loudly. Clap, clap for Winnie. Winnie sang very nicely, na? Yes, children. Say thank you to Winnie. Thank you, Winnie. You all say thank you. Thank you, Winnie. Good. Okay. Okay. Children, you see why in this alphabet I, L, V or in other color? Yes, because we have completed. And today, why W is in green? We are going to see W. So we are going to pick that letter. Which is that? W. Ready? Yes, I picked this. W. This is capital W. And next to that capital W, what is there? That is small w. What is that? Small w. Yes, shall we pick that out now? Yes, small w. We have picked up small w now. Yes, I know you will like this. What is this? Yes, Winnie the Pooh. We will call as Winnie, correct? How many of us like to play with Winnie? All are ready? Good. So Winnie is ready to play. Good. Show thumbs up. Good. See, Winnie is ready to play. It's playing with ball. So we will say first welcome. What will say? Welcome. We will say welcome, Winnie. Say welcome, Winnie. Not only Winnie, when someone comes to our house, we should say welcome. Yes, now we will welcome Winnie. Say welcome. Good. Yes, what is happening now? Winnie is playing with the ball. It hit the window. Winnie is playing with the ball. It hits the window. Oh, that's not fair, Winnie. Shall we say? That's not fair, Winnie. That's very bad. Correct? While we are playing, we should take care of our surroundings. So, should take care of our surroundings. So, take care. Okay? We hit the window. Where the window will be? The window is in the wall. The window is in the wall. Good. So it got thirsty. What will feel if we have thirsty? Water. Remember? Shall I drink water, teacher? Yes? Yes. We will feel thirsty. We will drink water. So Winnie is searching for the Water bottle. Vinay is searching for the water bottle. You remember, while coming to school, you will be having your water filled in a water bottle. Yes? Good. But it was searching, but it didn't get. What happened? It didn't get its water bottle. So it thought of an idea. So watermelon is available. What is there? Watermelon. It's available. So Vinny thought, okay, I'll have this. Before eating fruits, what we should do? Wash. Before eating fruits, we should wash. So Vinny is also going to wash the watermelon and going to eat it. And then what happened? Oh, the whistle sound came and Vinny went home happily. Say bye to Vinny. Bye Vinny. Don't hit on the wall. Okay, bye. So what did Vinny? Vinny was playing ball. He hit the window. Where is that window? Window is on the wall. It came thirsty. So it had water through the water bottle. You remember? That's good. Okay. So shall we revise what are all the other words we have? Shall we see? Yes. W for wings. The birds will have wings. Correct? The birds fly by its wings. What is that? Wings. W for wings. You all know this, na? Yes. W for wheels also. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. You remember? Yes, that wheels. So many wheels we have, na? Where can we see the wheels? Car, bus, auto. Very good, Lorry. Excellent. Clap yourself, children. Very nice. So sweet. What is this? W for watch. W for watch. Anyone is having watch? I'm not having watch. No. See your papa, mama? Anyone is having watch now? Good. That's good. That's watch. We'll tie it in our hand. So we can see the time when we are outside. That's called watch. This is called wristwatch. Okay. That's good. Wow. Why? Wow to everyone today. Because we learn the letter W with so many words. Wow. Tell me loudly. I should hear you. Wow. Wow. So sweet. So what the letter we learned today? Small W. What's that? Small W. So cute. This is what we will write, small W in between the blue lines. How it likes? Down, up, down, up. So this is small W. It is in between the blue lines. Good. One more time. Small W. Down, up, down, up. What is that? Small W. Good. Okay. So shall we write this in our, shall we practice? That's good. Who are all ready to write with me? Yes, good. So how it comes? How it comes? Let's see. Small W. Down, up, down, up. What's that? Small W. So sweet. My children are very smart. See? W. I know you're also writing with me. That's good, children. W. Small W. Down, up, down, up. What is that? Small W. See? What are you going to do, you know? So what are the activities you are going to do with me today? Small W. Yes, just go and see in your home what are all the things you find in W. Watch, wall clock, and if you have Winnie the Pooh, show it to me, okay? So you're going to do this activity for me? Yes? I know my children will do. Yes or no, children? That's sweet. What are all the words you can find? What are all the things you can find in W? You're watching TV. Yes? Good. Wall clock. Other things what you find in W, you're going to tell me. Ready? Will you do this homework for me? That's sweet. Okay? So do this homework and send me. Yes, children? I'm very eagerly waiting for your homework to see. Done? Okay. Take care. Listen to your parents and do this work. Okay? See you soon, children, in our next session. Until bye-bye. Safely. Bye-bye, children. Bye-bye.